How does your day start? With a nice day on the golf course, all of a sudden you hit that ball and there goes your back. You're not alone, it happens to a lot of people. Now, how you choose to act is up to you. Here we have on the left an illustration showing tension in the disc, a little stress on the disc, and what happens is that disc starts to decay and it puts pressure on the nerve, right on the spinal cord as well. And that takes a while to go away, but we have a solution. It's called the Back Pain Project. And what you see here is the most up-to-date, current way to treat and eliminate low back pain. It's part of a whole program that we call the Back Pain Project. The Back Pain Project uses specific technology to decompress your disc, encourage the disc to pop up to its normal confines, take you out of pain, and get you your life back. If it's something you're interested in learning more about, stay on till the end. We have a very special offer. The Back on Trac machine is only part of what we call the Back Pain Project. Combined with several other technologies, in a short period of time, we're able to restore your back to where it is that you can function fully, get a good night's rest, and enjoy life again. I'm Dr. Brian McKay, and the Back Pain Project was started by me because I'm a chiropractor and I realized there's limitations to what we can do for our patients with just chiropractic. So we added several powerful therapies that's going to help you feel better. Now, I'm going to have you do is stay on till the end. You'll see a pretty girl. She's going to give you a link to click on, and you can schedule your own appointment. I look forward to meeting you and helping you.
Thanks for watching. I hope that you've learned some valuable information. I want to share with you a very special offer from Dr. McKay. It is really simple. All you need to do is click the special offer tab. You will go to our homepage and you will see me pop up with all of the details. I'm certain you're going to like what you hear. So click the special offer tab and look for me on the homepage. You'll be glad you did. Thanks.